reason why survey season sometimes can also be called NPS season is because people don't know what question to ask their customers. They were like, well, let's just ask NPS question. Everybody asks that. And what it means is like there's customer facing role people basically had to stop what they're doing for 2 weeks and follow up with each of the responders. And a lot of them don't give context. You had to ask them, hey, I see that you rate 3 out of 5 on this feature. What's wrong with that? AI will actually ask those questions lifetime. You don't need to wait 2 weeks later and manually reach out. Maybe you don't get the response right there. It's actually very traumatized for the frontline workers because you're going to work with people who's complaining about the company and you're going to feel helpless because you can't do much to change it. You're going to reach out, try everything and realize, oh, the customer was just unhappy that one day. There's nothing to be done there. I've seen a lot of support or success leaders like, wow, I don't really want to do this kind of thing. It hurts my team's morale and doesn't yield any proactive or actionable insights, actions for my team to do that would benefit the customers and us. So a lot of companies actually don't respond to them, and which will cause the negative cycle of engagement. Like, well, you asked me, think about surveys as a way of engaging customers. You talk to them, you email them, you ask them questions via surveys. If they answer you and you don't talk back, that's break kind of the engagement cycle, right?